Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super simple task: how to download the Hulu app on your smart TV. Whether you're craving the latest TV shows or blockbuster movies, getting Hulu set up is easier than you think. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure your smart TV is compatible with Hulu. Most modern TVs from brands like Samsung, LG, or Sony work great, but you can quickly check on the Hulu website to confirm. This step saves you time and frustration later. Once you're ready, turn on your TV and head to the home screen. Look for the App Store. It's usually an icon that looks like a shopping bag or a grid of apps. Go ahead and open it up. Now, in the App Store, find the search bar. Type in Hulu and hit enter. A list of results should appear, and the official Hulu app will be right there. Select it, and choose the download or install option. Depending on your TV model, this might take a minute or two, so feel free to grab a quick snack while it processes. After the download finishes, go back to your TV's home screen. You'll see the Hulu icon now. Click on it to launch the app. The app will prompt you to sign in. If you already have a Hulu account, enter your details. If not, you can create one directly from the app or head over to hulu.com. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, like the app not showing up, double-check that your TV's software is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection. That usually fixes things right away. And there you have it. You're all set to start streaming your favorite content. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.